Let's take a few minutes to see how the supply curve is created from the marginal cost curve. The marginal cost curve is the individual supply curve for a perfectly competitive firm. The supply curve comes from the marginal cost curve because when a firm supplies an additional unit of good, it must increase its price in order to cover its additional marginal cost. The market supply curve is found by adding the marginal cost curves of all the firms together in the industry. Suppose for a moment that a firm has a table on the left-hand side of the screen which includes the price it receives for the product, the marginal cost, and the marginal revenue. As you may remember, the firm will produce where the marginal cost is equal to the marginal revenue, in this case at $5. The graph shows the relationship between its production and its price and its marginal cost. The amount of the firm's production is on the horizontal axis and the price and marginal costs are on the vertical axis. Since the price and marginal costs are equal at the firm's optimal level of production, they can both be included on the same vertical axis. The optimal level of production is 8 and according to the table at a price of $5. So the point is placed at 8 units of production and at a price of $5. Now suppose the price changes from $5 to $6. Since the perfectly competitive market, the marginal revenue is the same as price, the marginal revenue column changes from $5 to $6. The competitive firm maximizes its profit where marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. The place where marginal cost and marginal revenue now occurs at 9 units of output. So a new point is added at 9 units of production and a marginal price and cost of $6. And we can draw a line between the two. Now suppose that the price of the good increases from $6 to $7. Since in a perfectly competitive market, marginal revenue is the same as price, the marginal revenue column also changes to $7. The competitive firm maximizes its profit where marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. The place where marginal cost and marginal revenue now occurs is at 10 units of output. The new point is added to the graph at 10 units of production and a price and marginal cost of $7. If the price of a good increases from $7 to $8, the marginal revenue changes to $8. Since in a perfectly competitive market, marginal revenue is the same as the price, the marginal revenue column also changes to $8. The competitive firm maximizes its profit where marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue is equal to price. And at this place, the place where marginal cost and marginal revenue now occurs at the 11 units of output. Since a new point was added to the graph at 11 units of production and a price of $8. The key thing to notice is that as the price increases, the firm is able to produce more because the price covers the marginal cost of production. As a result of increasing or decreasing the price, the firm's supply curve is created.